welcome back to another video. Firstly, I'm going to apologise in advance. The football's on and we all know what that means. Probably going to be shouting in the background. Anyway, I'm going to take a quick look at this Polygel kit today. I showed you this Polygel kit just briefly in one of my Amazon and AliExpress hauls. So we're going to take a proper look at it and see what the Polygel's like. I'm going to give them a quick swatch as well so we can see what the colours are like. I have recently swatched another Polygel kit by this same brand there, and I was really happy with it. So I'm going to take a look at this kit today. So I'm going to just open it and we'll quickly see what comes in it. So it's got a really good user's manual. Look how thick that is, and it's all in English, all of it. It's got all sorts in there, all sorts. It's all this, all that. So it's a really, really good user manual, one of the best I've seen actually. Right, quickly, it comes with, this is what I love about this kit, right? It comes with 2 whites and it comes with 2 clears. Their clear is called Pure. So you're getting 60 gram or 60 ml of the white and 60 ml of the clear, and it's also got 6 colours, which I think is brilliant. 6 colours and then 2 whites and 2 clears. I think that's brilliant. Right, so firstly it comes with, also it's in this, it's got 2 thermals. So that says ombre pink to beige and that says ombre purple to white. So they're both thermals. And then the other colours are, we get a nude and a pink, and we get a brown and a milk. I think that's going to be milky white, isn't it? So that's the colours. Let's just pop them back in here for now. So on the bottom layer, again, I thought this was really good. It's got 2 bottles of slip solution. I love this. Look, different colour nails. So yeah, we've got 2 bottles of slip solution, 30 ml each. We've got top and a base coat. Glass bottles, 10 ml as well. That's a good size. So we've got your buffer. It's a really nice buffer as well, actually. Your brush, looks like a good brush. And you pick a tool on that end. And then it comes with a pack of jewel foams. These jewel foams as well, they're all in their own little individual bags. I'm definitely going to try these because I haven't got any jewel foams that are this shape. They're not too flat and they're not too curved either. I really like the look of these jewel foams. I'm not going to try them today, obviously. I'm just going to swatch these colours today and see what the Polygel's like. Right, what I'm going to do quickly, I'm going to give all these swatch sticks a quick base coat, just so that I can see what the base coat's like. It's not a very thick one, it's not very runny either. I'd say it's somewhere in the middle. It's nice consistency. So yeah, I'm just going to give all these a quick base coat just to see that it cures alright, and let's have a whiff. Yeah, it doesn't smell of anything. Right, I'm just going to get these cured. Right, so I've got some of the slip solution in my little dapping dish, so we're going to start with white. Probably just going to put some music on, let you watch, and I'll come back at the end and let you know what I think of it. Right guys, that's them all swatched. I'm going to quickly go through them. So this is the white. I've gave the back of the swatch sticks a coat of the top coat just to see what the top coat's like. And the top coat's lovely. It's a nice, thick-ish, not super thick, but thickish. So that's the white. Really nice, crisp white. I like that. Now this one that I originally thought was a milky white, it's not. The label should have given it away. The label is a pale pink. It's actually a very, very pale, milky kind of pink. Very pale pink. It's hard to see on camera. Like, if you look at it next to the white, you can kind of see the pink tinge to it. It's a very pale, milky pink. I really like it. I do. I really like it. So there's that one. Then that is the nude. Really nice nude. Nice and opaque. I really like that. Look at that glossy top coat. It's a really, really nice top coat. This is the brown again. I didn't think I'd like that, but for a nude, it's actually alright. Really impressed with that top coat. I really like it. This is the pink. It's a pretty pink. Very pretty pink. This Polygel as well. It's actually really, really nice to use. It's so smooth and creamy. There's no bubbles in any of it. It's not soft, it's not sticky. It's just a really, really nice Polygel to use. I really like it. Right, I'll show you the thermals last. And the clear, can I just say, this clear is like, it's crazy clear. Look at that. How clear is that for a Polygel? It's super, super clear. And clears tend to be very soft and sticky. This wasn't. It was actually a nice, not stiff, but just wasn't soft and sticky at all. I'm so impressed with that clear. I really am. Right, so we've got these two thermals. Pink to beige and purple to white. So this is the pink to beige one. I wouldn't say it's pink and I wouldn't say it's beige. It's like a rusty orangey. I don't know. It's definitely not a pink to beige. Anyway, that's it cold. So I've got some warm water here. We're going to see what it changes to. It's just gone like all thermals do. Like a milky white. All thermals go that same colour. So it's gone like a milky white. Definitely not pink to beige. So this is what it would look like on your own nail. It would be warm on your nail bed, and then the tip would be cold. So, I'm sorry if shouting in the background. So that's kind of what it would look like on your natural nail. It's a very bizarre colour that, isn't it? Like a, yeah, it's like a dull kind of orange. Anyway, that's that one. And then the last one is purple to white. So that is definitely a purple. It's a bit of a jelly sheer. Not quite jelly, but it's definitely a sheer purple. So, let's see what colour this one goes. This one looks like it's going to be more of a, like, frosty kind of clear. Whereas that one went like a white, didn't it? Yeah, this one looks like a frosty kind of clear. Milky kind of clear. So let's see what it would look like on your natural nail. Kind of look like. I think I'm going to like this one actually. On a natural nail. So that's kind of what it would look like on your natural nail. I quite like that colour. That's a very pretty one. I like that. But this one is definitely not pink to beige. But I do like the colour of it. I haven't got a Polygel that colour whatsoever. It's quite a unique colour for a Polygel, isn't it? But, yeah, I really like this Polygel kit. I'm so impressed with this clear. So clear. Really, really nice Polygel to use. Really nice Polygel to use. I like these nudes. I like the pink. I like them all. Yeah, really nice Polygel to use. I'm really happy with that. Definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I will leave the link in my description box to where I got it. This is off Amazon. I think I might try the dual forms and do a full set out of them on my nails next. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Just wanted to give this a quick swatch and show you what all the colours were like and what the Polygel's like. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. I really like it. But anyway, that is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell as well so you never miss any uploads. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.